This is Graduate Explore. This is built for advancement, development, alumni relations, even marketing and IR, really any departments at the university that want to see granular record level data about their alumni. This is a great solution for them. The structure of the dashboard is in two tabs: View and Filter, which lets you actually build or analyze the sample you're looking for, and then Graduate Data, which shows you the record level data about the alumni sample that you're analyzing. Everything you see here is interactive. The map is interactive. It'll auto recluster down to the local level. The summary stats will update with any selections, and the charts below will also update automatically. Employers, industries, job titles, and skills are all ordered by the volume of alumni. That's denoted by the blue bar, and average salary, which is denoted by the green bar. And these are applied to all four elements of the charts below. You also have global filters up here. So these are really powerful. There's much more than the Graduate Outcomes platform, but you can use any combination of these to find the sample you're looking for. Ages, cities, colleges, job categories, degree levels, current employers, gender, grad years, income, industry, majors, military status, and states. To show you a specific example, if we honed in on Atlanta, which we have done here, say we're going to a conference in the area, we're curious what our alumni base looks like there, or we want to actually engage with them, we could highlight just the metro Atlanta area. The alumni base would go from 226,000 for this sample university down to about 3,800. The average salary went up, average years of experience went up, advanced degrees, the gender mix changed. You can see the top employers ranked by volume, top industries, the top job titles, and skills. If we want to get more granular, just to show you how these click filters work, we could say, let's just look at our alumni who work at the CDC in Atlanta. We'll click one of those. That'll take us from about 3,800 down to 27 alumni. You can see the top job titles, the top skills, epidemiology, data analysis, public health, etc. And at any point, we can always click on the Graduate Data tab here to see these actual 27 alumni. Name, email, age, city, state, job title, employer, and salary. You can also click right here to download a CSV of the data to utilize however we want. That's a very granular travel example for any department at the university, but we can also give you a specific granular example for a certain college. So if we said we're helping the College of Computer Science raise money for a cloud computing initiative. We want to convert from more server-based examples on campus to actual cloud examples. That's where most of the industry is going. So we could start by saying, we could look at anyone with a computer science degree or just really anyone in the IT industry. So let's analyze the alumni who work in the IT industry currently, who make over $100,000, which makes them a good target for fundraising. First, let's understand the sample that we just filtered for. It's about 7,000 alumni dispersed primarily on the West Coast, some in New York, some in the Central States, primarily male, high earning group. The top employers are Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, all with high salaries, the top job titles, and the top skills. Within these skills, we could go down and say, let's only filter for the alumni that we know for sure have a skill in cloud computing, based on their resume, based on their social presence, based on code committed to GitHub, any of our sources. Once we do that, we know these 1,353 people are the perfect candidates for us to reach out to for this cloud computing fundraising initiative. Click here in Graduate Data, get the granular information, download it, utilize it however we want at the university. So between the click filters and these global filters, the combinations are truly infinite. So utilize it as best you see fit.